Namaskar. Good morning to all. Myself Shivu Gogoi, practicing as an advocate at Dhemaji District Bar Association, Dhemaji, Assam. Today I am going to present a topic on eCourt service mobile app for the advocates, which is listed on topic number 4. How to install eCourt service mobile app. There are two ways to download service mobile app directly from the official website of E-Committee, Supreme Court of India, or eCourt service, and the websites are eCommittee, sci.gov.in and ecourts.gov.in. We can also download the same from the Google Play Store like any other app for Android phones and the Apple App Store for iPhone and iPad devices. Now we discuss about the eCourt services for the advocate. After installation of eCourt's mobile app, it shows configure the eCourt app. The current version of eCourt mobile app provides services under 3 heads: High Court, District Court, and both. In the eCourt mobile app, we can configure the app to access the cases of District Court or High Court or both. For that, we need to select the configure option from the menu list by clicking on the icon. We can configure our mobile app to access the service of High Court or District Court by clicking on any of the ratio. And if we want to access service of both High Court and District Court, then we have to click on the ratio button of both. After all setting, we'll learn about its icon and its meaning. Once we enter into the mobile app, this welcome page will be displayed. That is e-filing, India Court, forms of advocate, virtual court, etc. are also now available under this menu. District Court or High Court case details. We can configure the mobile app for District Court case or High Court or both District Court and High Court. Main menu option, which shows 4 type of option for search a case, that is our CNR search, case status search, my cause list, my cases options. What is CNR? The CNR means case number record. CNR is unique 16-digit number given to all cases. To put it in short, it is unique case identity number by which any case can be identified. CNR is assigned to each case filed through case information system. It's just like PNR number used in 10 ticket. Anyone can trace his case at High Court and District Court with CNR number, which is unique 16-digit CNR number. Next, search case status using various options. Search your case status with 9 options. 2 of them are pre-trial application and caveat, and the rest search options for finding our cases are case number, filing number, advocate, case type, party name, FIR number, act. If a person does not know CNR number, then the search can be done using any of the options. Let us know the first option under the case status, viewing case status using case number option. Now let us see the first option under the case status, that is using case number options. Step 1, click the case status from the menu. Step 2, select the state and district. Step 3, click the case number option. It will open up from as shown in the PPT and fill up the details: court complex, case type, case number, year. Step 4, click go after filling the case details. Step 5, the total number of cases is displayed court-wise, and if click will be open up the case number. If we click on the case number, it will further open up the case history with first case detail, second case status, third QR code, 4 petitioner and advocate, 5 respondent and advocate, 6 act, 7 FIR details, 8 subordinate court information, 9 case history of case hearing, 10th interim order, 11 final order and judgment. It is little bit different in civil and criminal case as well. The second option under the case status by using party name option at eCourt services of mobile application. How to search cases by party name? After selecting the state and district and court complex, we have to fill up party name and year, then charge. It shows total number of number, and it will further open up details. I first one name is Helen, the year as 2020. It was one case in the name of electric who is linked session just court complex Dhemaji. Third option, a case status by using filing number. Filing number is most easiest way to search a case. In every court establishment, serial registration is compulsory. Accordingly, we know only the case number, but does not know the case type or unable to recollect the party name. Then this option is very useful. For example, we charge 6 as a number in the year 2020. Then we find total number of cases pending in district and session judge and the chief judicial magistrate court establishment. The fourth option under case status by using FIR number option. Before searching a case by FIR number, we should know about the police station case number. Just like the other options, we have to insert the state, district, and court complex, then concerned police station, then registration year, then search. It will show the respective police station case number history under which court the said case pending or disposed. In this aspect, I am searching Dhemaji police station case number 5 of 2020, and it shows that the concerned case is at Chief Judicial Magistrate Court Establishment Dhemaji. Next one is viewing case status using advocate option. This search option is the digital clerk for any advocate, as it does most of the work of a clerk. For example, this option will be show how many cases are pending in all courts in the advocate name, what cases are listed on any particular date. An advocate can use this search option under 3 heads. First one, search by advocate name. Second one, search using barcode number. Third one, search case of particular advocate listed on a specified day using data course list. Search by advocate name. Now, if an advocate wants to know how many cases are pending in his name court-wise, this option could be used. For example, in this PPT herein, I am showing that I have searched my own name. Then it shows 30 cases in the district and session judge court, 4 number of cases at the Munsif, and 18 numbers of cases at the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court Establishment, Dhemaji, Assam, and it's also indicate court-wise how many cases is pending. If the total number is clicked, it will show the entire list, which is expandable with the case history. Similarly, an advocate can search his case and cause list using his advocate barcode. It will display the total case, both pending and disposed of, for all establishment in the district. Using the barcode in another option of the data cause list, an advocate can also get his cause list in the next. At this judicature, it is essential to point out that the advocate barcode is the unique identity number for an advocate, and it should be correctly entered in the database. Viewing case status using case type option. If we want to get case detail by searching case type, then we have to select the case type, the state district court complex, then type the case in the code, respective code in particular year. We search case type as title suit pending for the year 2019 for the district of Dhemaji. It shows that 2 numbers of cases at district judge court and 8 numbers of title suit is at laying at Munsif court complex are pending. Now we discuss how to access the cause list. Getting a cause list in a mobile app is equally useful option for advocates, litigants, and judges. There are three types of cause list: civil cause for any court, criminal cause list for any court. Third one is advocate-wise cause list for all can be generated under the eCourt mobile app. The civil cause list and the criminal case cause list can be viewed under this option, cause list option. The advocate-wise cause list can be viewed through the advocate option available under the case status search, which is explained under the topic of search using case status option. By using the cause list option, one can confirm whether his case is posted on a particular day or not. It is valuable time management tools for judges, staffs, advocates, through which one can find out how many cases are listed on any specified.
Pardon me, Mr. Gogoi.
Audio has been muted.
You have been muted.
My cases option. My case option is one of the most attractive and useful options for advocates and litigants because it acts a digital personal case diary. It is an exclusive feature available in eCourt app. The litigant or lawyer can save and store his or her case under my case and see the details
Mr. Gogoi,
as and when required. Yes, sir.
go to previous slide. It is getting QR code. You are saying my cases now. Slide.
My case and see the details as and when required. An advocate or an advocate clerk can add all their official cases in my case and maintain a visit diary for their office case and get updates and status of cases using my case option. A senior advocate can add the important cases alone and keep track of the case without the help of a junior or an advocate clerk, and can see the case status 24/7. A litigant can also add his case number under my case option. Likewise, prosecutor, court, police constable, investigating officer, government leaders also can use my case list and can keep track of them 24/7. Now, how to use my case option? Step 1, search the case which you want to add to my case using eCourt mobile app. Step 1, add cases bottom, which will be displayed on the top right hand side in the case history of the search case as shown in the slide displayed. Step 3, click add cases, which will be added the case to your my cause list. Getting case status using QR code. While using the eCourt services mobile app, some may find it difficult in the typing the case number every time. For getting case or typing case detail every time you get. There is another easy way to getting the case detail using QR code option in the eCourt mobile. Get the QR code for your case under the case history from the eCourt services mobile application, or get the QR code for your case under the case history from the eCourt service website, that is ecourts.gov.in also. Once we get the QR code, then have to print out the same using the scan QR code option inbuilt in the eCourt mobile app. One can scan the QR code pasted on the case docket, which will immediately show the case status. This QR code scanning can be beneficial for advocate office and the company's government institution having many cases. They can print out the QR code and paste it in their case file and scan with their mobile app. Scan QR code options and get the case detail instantly without filing all the points one by one. Backup facility. The eCourt mobile provides a backup facility, which is also most sought after feature of eCourt app. One can backup the save case on the mobile device under the export and import option. If you have saved many cases in your mobile and are getting a new mobile phone, those export and import option can be used and downloaded on the latest mobile phone by clicking the menu button. This backup option is accessible. When you click the said menu button, the export and import options are available under the menus shown in the PPT herein for ready reference. It is essential to at least export once and keep the backup data in the mobile or Google Drive or in email regularly. Only when you have saved data exported can it be imported when needed. For example, while changing the mobile phone or accidentally lost the data, once you can use the import option. Unless you have exported your data, you cannot use it for import. So did not forget to export your data to the mobile phone to use it when needed urgently. Export option. The export option is available under the menu list in the mobile app. When the export option is clicked, it will ask where to export the file. You can export or share your files through email or store in Google Drive or store in it phone itself. While storing for Google Drive, you may get security question from Google and you can click admit, wherein the backup will be stored in Google Drive. Whenever needed, the backup can be extracted from the Google device. The said three options for exporting the files, that is share with, email, save to drive, save to device. Import options. The import options is most sought after features by eCourt mobile app user. What to do if you are going to change your phone or when your phone data gets crashed, then this important options is beneficial. You can use these import options and get backup data into your new phone. When the data, you can click the import icon and import the data from two options: import from drive or import from device. The PPT appearance here will show that the two options import from. It's advisable that at least once you import the backup data from Google Drive, uh, Google Drive will ask permission and you can click allow the button to import the data. Once the import options is completed, you will get the alert message, case import successfully. Thus, you can use the import options and get the backup data in your new phone or restore the backup data from your old phones. This is all about the eCourt mobile service app for the advocates. Thank you for listening me.